Let me show you guys around. This is the one bedroom where I was staying at. This is the view from the balcony. This is the kitchen area. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we finally reached Manali. Reached around 6:30. It took me roughly 14 hours, you can say. And this 14 hours is with 3 stops for lunch, breakfast, lunch, and packing my dinner, which is not bad. It's 7:30 in the morning today, and we are heading towards Lahaul Valley. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go, but we've come this far, we have to try. So, I'll tell you about the feedback first of all. The dinner I packed from Bella Riverbanks was just next level. I mean, the chicken curry was decent, I can say. It was a bit less spicy because I told him, but the garlic naan was simply amazing. Completely next level. I mean, I haven't tasted that kind of garlic naan in quite some time now. Let's start our day today. So, I'll show you the view. That is Manali. We're just 3-4 kilometers away from Manali to this village called Pirni, which is just on the way to Sethan village, which is roughly there on top of that mountain. But just look at this. Resort was completely next level. I couldn't find it at all in the night. नमस्ते भाई जी।
हाँ जी, नमस्कार।
अटल टनल जाना है।
हाँ जी सर, यहाँ से गाड़ी जाएगी, बिल्कुल नहीं रुकेगी अटल टनल में। इधर साइड तो बिल्कुल नहीं रुकेगी, टनल क्रॉस करनी है दूसरी तरफ। समझ गए ना आप?
समझ गए जी। आगे किलोंग तक खुला है क्या?
किलोंग तक खुला है।
किलोंग उतना दूर तो जाना नहीं है। हाँ जी
बस ध्यान रखना कि इस तरफ गाड़ी नहीं रुकेगी ना।
ठीक है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भाई जी, धन्यवाद। नाउ आई एम एक्साइटेड। भाई जी को लाइक लेह लद्दाख तक खुला है रास्ता। बोला भाई जी लेह लद्दाख तक तो नहीं पहुंचेंगे, किलोंग हुआएंगे। So that's the advice. You should not stop anywhere in the tunnel, before the tunnel, after the tunnel. Yeah, because it's like landslide prone area. Anything can happen anytime. Avalanche area start. Okay. So not gonna stop here. Shoot in the morning. अरे तो गुड़गांव है, गुड़गांव। अब हिमाचल। That's the scene, man. You should never stop here because at least 5-6 times I saw rocks just lying on the road. Ooh, scary, man. Welcome to the world's longest highway tunnel above 10,000 feet. And we have reached. These are the two bodyguards of Atal Tunnel. One on the left, one on the right. Two doggos. Wow. लग ही नहीं रहा इंडिया है, पर जेब में तो रुपीज है। We're finally gonna enter Lahore. This is just beautiful, man. Just beautiful. There's one emergency tunnel below this tunnel as well in case something happens. Oh, just wow. Look at this, man. The whole valley is covered in snow. there's a check post here. He'll write all the details, I'm guessing. We'll explore Sisu. We'll go till helipad, see the Sisu lake. If possible, go across and see if the Sisu waterfall is there. Oh, frozen waterfall. We'll try and go close to it as much as we can. Wow. I think we should do Tokyo Drift here. है ना? This is this place is perfect for drifting, man. चलो घुमाते हैं. Not like drifting वाला घुमाते हैं because पुलिस खड़ी है. बकचोदी करेगा तो सीधा बोलेंगे निकल यहाँ से.